Hey everyone, welcome to HEPPY. I wanted to give you an update on how this pawpaw tree is doing. This cultivar is called Prolific. It's one of the very first plants we planted. But look, we're at the end of April, I think it is. So we still see like a flower here and there, but what you see is the fruit. And then in the background, that's all pawpaw fruit. They're really small. They look a lot like little bananas fruit. So like I said, I just quickly counted about 30 right in this shot. Whether you see the 30 or not, if you're standing right here, you could count 30. So there's going to be some thinning. I'm strategic in terms of what I keep. Again, you want fruit kind of pointing downward because that's the direction it's going to go with gravity. You definitely don't want like a group of fruit pointing upward. Maybe I'll get this in focus here. Here's a group that's real small versus a group that's real big, so that's pretty cool. I also like the fruit to have sunlight, and this is pointing towards the light. And then this group of 5 fruit here, like this one's the smallest, so maybe when it gets a little bigger, or maybe I can do it now, I could take that one fruit off. We just went from 5 to 4, and you know what? This little guy here. So we're probably going to keep these 3. Let's see what happens with these 3, and then there's actually a small one amongst these 3, so I might thin that. We're just going to take these guys off. This fruit is really low to the ground. I might have to pull those out or remove them. So I probably not have more than 20 fruit on this tree by the time I'm done thinning. This tree is established for sure. It's about its 3rd spring here. But you're going to have to thin your fruit trees, and that way you get some quality fruit. So anyways, this is a Prolific Pawpaw cultivar, and it is fruiting its lights out. Happy gardening, everyone. Take care.